मैंने अपने माँ बाप की जो उन्होंने मुझे फ्रीडम दिया, मैंने उसका नाजायज़ इस्तेमाल किया, मैं मानती हूँ, बट अब मैं हाथों से निकल चुकी हूँ, अब कुछ नहीं हो सकता।
Most of the writers take inspiration from true stories and dramatize them for us with a moral. Some even are courageous enough to pen down their own stories. Here we have some of the Pakistani drama serials based on true stories. The first one is Sadke Tumhare, written by Khalilur Rahman Qamar, who is known for his bold stories. But this one is to another extreme level because this story is his own real and sad love story that did not have a happy ending. Khalil made it clear that all of the scenes were real and no single scene in the drama was added for dramatization. Directed by Muhammad Itishamuddin, produced by MD Productions Channel and aired on Hum TV, this drama had a cast of Adnan Malik playing the role of Khaliluddin and Mahira Khan who played the role of Shano, the love of Khalil's life. Due to family dispute late in the story, Shano sends Khalil away as she realizes that her mother will not agree with the match. And then the story ending with Shano's sad and untimely death after Khalil marries Ruby to move on. While receiving an award for this drama serial, Khalil said that
I dedicate this award to my elder sister, जिसने छठे एपिसोड के ऑन एयर होने पर मुझे फोन करके कहा था कि खलील बंद कर दे। आई डेडिकेट दिस अवार्ड टू माई यंगर सिस्टर, जो तब से नाराज है मुझसे। बहुत मुश्किल होता है अपने गरेबान में हाथ डालकर चीथड़ों से खेलना। मैं खेला।
Khalil said a lot of his relatives might feel that he owes them an apology, but he did not need the feel to do so.
अगर मैंने कोई गलती कर दी है, मैं यहाँ खड़े होकर सबसे माफी मांगता हूँ, जबकि मुझे उसकी जरूरत कोई नहीं है।
Many people criticized Khalil for first of all exposing the family secrets and then allowing emotions to cloud his judgment. But he deserves some credit to share this painful episode of his life. Human relations are a complicated arena with lots of strong feelings involved. To criticize and to judge others is a little too easy for us. But to put up a story out of your pain in front of the whole world needs guts. We should respect that. In his interview before the release of the drama serial, he said he owed that girl and wanted to pay tribute to her. Hopefully, he would have achieved some peace through this. Second drama is Mubarak Ho, Beti Hui Hai, written by Faiza Iftikhar, which was based on a true story of Faiza's mother, that how she fought against all the odds to raise her daughters, who were empowered and enlightened. Directed by Badr Mahmood, produced by Big Bang Entertainment and aired on ARY Digital, in which Saima Noor played the role of Nahid, who faced worst treatment because she didn't give birth to a son.
खराब किस्मत का साया है जो मेरी बेटियों पे पड़ गया।
Nahid did not let her husband or the society to distract her. She was not a rebel but a mother who did everything she could to ensure that her daughters felt loved and needed. Nahid was one of the strongest female leads we have seen in the Pakistani drama serials. The writer managed to convey all of the messages beautifully through characters which were inspiring as well as relatable. Third is a biographical motion picture, Baghi, that dramatized the life of Qandil Baloch, who was a social media sensation and always the center of attention. When the drama got aired, viewers were informed that this was not Qandil's actual story, but that the writer took inspiration from Qandil's life. Sabah Qamar played the role of Qandil Baloch and her entire getup was inspired by that of Qandil's. Since Qandil's public life was witnessed by many people in recent past, therefore viewers remembered watching a lot of what was shown in the drama. The drama showed the real life of Qandil Baloch, the life that no one knew about, showing how she entered the world of entertainment and how she was used and abused by different people.
मैंने अपने माँ बाप की जो उन्होंने मुझे फ्रीडम दिया, मैंने उसका नाजायज़ इस्तेमाल किया, मैं मानती हूँ, बट अब मैं हाथों से निकल चुकी हूँ, अब कुछ नहीं हो सकता।
Fourth serial is Mere Paas Tum Ho. Now when I read read this, I was like, what? Was this also based on a real life event? Meaning, a real man went through what Danish went through in the serial. Writer of this drama was also Khalilur Rahman Qamar, directed by Nadeem Beg, produced by Six Sigma Plus and aired on ARY Digital. A story of undying love and unfaithfulness revolving around a married couple became increasingly famous due to the brilliant performance of Aiza Khan, Humayun Saeed and Adnan Siddiqui, and due to a bold yet engaging story. The writer shared the story of a man he knew who went through what Danish had gone through, and also said that young Rumi's character was based on his own childhood personality. Well, a reminder for you, Danish died in that last episode.
अरे अल्लाह दानिश मर गया पुत्र इतना दुख दे मैं विष्णु नहीं होया अल्लाह क्या हो गया तुझे
नहीं तेरा क्या लगता वो दानिश है
इन्हें बहुत दुख है
नहीं तो फिर रोना से किस चीज पे आया वो अपनी बीवी को छोड़ गया
क्यों मर गया
क्यों मरा वो
बीबी ड्रामा था वो जिंदा है.
During my edit talking about Qandeel's life, this came in front of me that says Pakistan is a place where women lack freedom in public spaces, and this was quoted by BBC when they were documenting Qandeel's life. Well, this is totally a wrong concept. I'll come back with the facts and figures that will differentiate between the norms we follow and the norms you follow, and what are the pros and cons of them. Stay tuned.